What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. What is up, Christine Crew? Sis, what is going on? How was your week? It is Sunday, sis. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. So, you guys, I'm trying to get back into recording my 3 times a week. So, y'all see your girl. I posted on Wednesday. I posted on Friday. And y'all finna get this bad boy on Sunday. Okay, so today I will be unboxing some outfits, showing you guys some of the outfits we have so far for our plus size collection. I am so excited to show you all these clothes. One of these are boxed up, some are already unboxed. I've already seen them. You see a couple, well, one set of outfits is already hanging up on the rack. So that's basically what we're gonna do today is I'm revealing some of the items for the plus size line. Also, we are waiting for our regular size clothes to come in. First couple outfits. So hopefully they'll be here by next week. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you do not follow the Curvaceous collection on Instagram, sis, what are you doing? If you are not following Christine Creations on Instagram, sis, what are you doing? So please, make sure you go follow all of our social media in the description box. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, sis, it's free. And y'all keep coming back. So y'all like something. Y'all look out the window because somebody looking at me. But y'all keep coming back because y'all like something. I'm gonna show y'all my little outfit. Somebody just like threw together or whatever. I got a dress and I just threw this little cardigan over it. It's like ripped up. So yeah, let's get into this video. Welcome back, ladies. So y'all don't mind my home office. Okay, it's a mess right now because I'm in the midst of kind of putting everything up. So I'm gonna be standing. I have the box in my chair. Drinking on some good Fiji water. Okay. So we're gonna make this quick. So I'm gonna pull the camera down a little. Y'all don't mind the lighting either. It is terrible right now. But can y'all see this box? Y'all please don't judge my background. Again, I am not at my office. I am at my home. In my clothing, YouTube, styling. All in the blue room, okay? So, thumbnail. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. You guys, this is one of the first vendors that I actually ordered from, but it took the longest. But this vendor is located in the US. This vendor is actually in Arizona, okay? So if you guys see me take a water break often, it's because my energy levels are terrible right now, okay? So give me a sec because I take frequent water breaks. Okay, so I kind of informed you guys into some of the clothes for our plus size line. Okay, sold out, refunded, sold out, refunded. So this company actually refunded me for 2 items. Y'all probably gonna sit down because it's not it. Okay. So the company refunded me for 2 outfits. It really was 1 outfit and some handbags. Don't know why, but they did. But we're gonna move past it, okay? So I assume these are the first outfit, and it looks like this. It's supposed to be a dress. So they sell theirs in 3 packs. So I should have a 1X, 2X, and a 3X. So let's see. Material feels very good. Okay. First off, it's the extra large. I hope she sent the right stuff. Okay, that's a 3X. So I guess I don't have a 1X, and if so, their 1X is considered extra large. So this is what it looks like. It's a halter top dress. So again, this is the extra large, which I assume is supposed to fit like a 1X. Then we have the 2, and this is supposed to be bodycon shaped for your body. So the material is nice and stretchy. So you got that choice. That's the 2X. And then here's the 3X. Like this. And this is, again, it's a halter top dress. You can match this with a little jean jacket. Real cute. You can still rock this in the fall, long as you know how to style it. Okay. The next items are jeans. So I'm gonna open it. So yeah, these are very stretchy, okay? This is the 3X. Since this is stretchy, okay? Stretchy. The model was kind of bigger in the hips than me, and I think she was wearing like a 2X. So these are nice and stretchy. I am gonna try these clothes on in another video, give you guys like a try on haul, style haul type of situation with some of our pieces. So these are the jeans that we have in stock. And then these are the other 2 sizes, a 2XL and the extra large. All right. Now this is something that I like personally. And that's it. Plus, I want to say these are one size fit all, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, these must be one size fit all, because there's no prices on, or sizes. Yeah, this is a one size fit all. So this is a dress, an oversized dress, since we all need one in our closet. This is what it looks like. It says, I am a black woman, beautiful, magic, intelligent, relentless, love, intelligent, powerful, influential, and unapologetic, okay? And that's on period, sis. So I wanted to have a couple empowerment pieces in our line. Again, this is a dress, okay? This will look real cute because I just bought some thigh-high boots. This look cute, and it's long sleeve, so just in time for the fall, my ladies. So this is also in stock, and you guys will see me style that soon. Y'all, my nail is almost broke playing with me, okay? What are these? I want to say these are a ripped up jacket that we have. So yeah. These are the oversized ripped up jackets. If you guys know me, you guys know I love me a good rip, sis. A good rip. So I don't know if you guys can tell that on camera, but the back is ripped and ruched a little. And it does, I can really try this on for you guys so y'all can see it. So, whoop. Now this kind of tight, okay? But if you want to rock it like that, you can. It is cotton material. It's really doesn't have any stretch to it like the rest of the items. I personally would not be able to button this up, zip it up. But to each his own. So we have those in all 3 sizes. Now let me show you guys some other things that will be on the site that we have for plus size so far. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna show. I have a two pieces, and I have a dress to show you all. So this right here is probably one of my favorite outfits. thus far. Okay. Again, once I get my hair done and stuff, I am going to style these outfits for you guys on YouTube coming soon. I'm gonna get a few more pieces, and in that video it won't be no talking. So this is the top, and do not let the size fool you, sis. This has some good stretch, okay? And when you want to look for plus size clothes, you want to look for something with some good stretch in it. So this right here is the top is a 2X, and then the bottom is a 3X. So this is how the bottoms look. Don't let the thing size fool you guys. This is very stretchy. This is one of my favorite fall pieces that we do have in stock right now. This will be up under our little kind of higher line because of the quality and because of course how much we paid for it. So this other piece is very classy, sassy, and give them to them, sis, okay? This is a dress, okay? Again, this is like a bandeau dress, a bandeau, or whatever y'all want to call it, type of dress. That's what it is. Again, this material is very thick and it is very stretchy, okay? So, stretchy. Do y'all see this stretch? All right. So, this right here is a 3X, and then here's the blazer to go along with it. You guys, this outfit is so freaking cute. Like, I love this outfit. This is one of my faves. One of my faves. So, boom. Do you guys see the detailing of this with the... This is so freaking cute. You can dress this up. It's something you can wear to work. It's something you can wear to an event. Like, this is giving me a 101 Dalmatians, okay? Last but not least, we all need a little black dress, girl. So I got you guys covered with our cami bodycon dresses. This is a size 2X, and this does have some good stretch. Only thing I can say, if you do have a wide back like me, the back really doesn't stretch. When you get down to the body, it stretches, okay? So again, if you're like me, have a couple rows up under the back, you may want to size up to a 3X in this dress. These dresses are in stock as well. Everyone needs a little bodycon black dress, okay? So that is all the plus size clothes that we have so far for the Curvaceous collection. I will be doing another video soon once our shipment for the regular clothes come in. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Again, my line will be launching on Black Friday, so make sure you stay in the loop. The website will be coming soon for you guys to sign up for the email marketing list. Of course, Christine Creations is now the home of the Dollar Charm, sis. So if you need your charms for your business, if you want to make your own, remember all of our designer charms are $1. All designer Trae'C charms are $2, and bangles are 25 cents. So make sure you go over and shop at www.christinecreations.net for all your charm needs, okay? Your girl has been working, all right? We're trying to start up the CBD business as well, for us to provide like CBD oil, actual CBD smoking products and all that good stuff. That is something I do want to get into, so that will be coming soon in 2021 as well. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for tuning in today on Sunday. Make this upcoming week one of the best weeks ever. Remember, it is fourth quarter. Keep pushing, ladies. We got it, okay? Christine Crew, thank you again for tuning in today. Love you all, and I will see you guys again because it will be another video. Bye, y'all.